Okay, I tried to bring my friend from Saudi Arabia, Khalid Saleh. Khalid, are you here, my friend? Ah, what happened? You declined. There goes my heart beating, and you are the reason my heart keeps bleeding. I need you now. If only can. And, oh my god. I don't remember it when I have to sing. Khalid, I tried to invite you, but you're not coming. Where are you? Where are you now? Are you in my fantasy? Where are you now? Are you only imaginary? Seems like it was yesterday when I saw your face. You told me how proud you were, but I walk away. If only I know what I know today. Gurang Durba. Hi, Gurang. Try again. Okay. Let me, let me like you do. Love me like you do. What about now?
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Long
We
time
have
no
been,
see.
yeah, we have been been very good friend more than 6 months, and finally I can talk to you. Mashallah.
9 months ago, yes, I was absent 9 months ago from
Mm.
Facebook. Yes, someone brought me to WhatsApp from Indonesia. One girl from Indonesia brought me to the WhatsApp group.
That's good.
But sometimes I visit you because this is the new account. This is my new
Mm.
account. I had the two accounts disappeared. The old,
Why?
I don't know why. From the Facebook company, I don't know. Wow, we
Okay.
have many
Maybe
memorized.
because
We
no,
have
no, no. Maybe
no,
because okay. You first.
because my participation more than okay, my participation. I send you a lot of two